not bad, eh? Look at that. Absolutely stunning views. Unbelievable. Watch your boat. We're going to have a crash. I've got it on video. Did you see that, folks? Look at this place. Look at that over there. Nido Palawan. We're doing 5 tours today. This will be my second tour. I missed out on snorkeling. I thought I was going to get supply bear, but you've got to bring your own stuff, so I missed out on that. We're about to disembark the boat. Look at this, folks, people. I'll show you over here. What a place. And I've got to go back to the UK in a couple of weeks' time. I feel like Robinson Crusoe. What was that Sting song? Message in a bottle. That's what I feel like. I'm going to turn all the way around. Robinson Crusoe, you must have had a good life. Although what I can see in the beach, 2 wee sexy bottoms. There's a boat just come off, one of the bigger ones. I'm actually on it, the island. I'm going to go into the caves, I think, soon. I'm going to show you the coconuts up here. It's no easy walking on the sand. Look at that. Come to an island, coconuts everywhere. I bet Robinson Crusoe would have loved this island. I'm going to show you the coconuts. You can climb up there, they're all free. I wouldn't mind being deserted on this island. I just met these two stunning girls. Ah well, off again. We're going to get lunch now. Stunning, isn't it, folks? People, look at these views. What can I say? Take you back again. That's us leaving the island. Virgin Island, that's called. That's Virgin Island. Mate, what's the island called?
Commando Island.
Commando Island. I thought it was the Virgin Island. Virgin Island. I don't know.
This one is part of mainland, but there's no land access.
Oh, yeah.
Single foot. Bakit siya tinawag na Commando?
Look at this place out there. Well, I'm glad I've come on this tour. I know I keep on saying it, but it's beautiful out here. Nido Palawan. Get yourself on trip A, tour A it's called. I might be going to sea tomorrow. I'll see if I feel tonight.